Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Tara, your host, and in this episode, I thought I would take you along with us as we spent the day at an NHRA National Drag Racing event. I have family and friends that are part of this great sport, so at times it can be more of a reunion than a racing event. We were fortunate enough to be VIPs for one of the professional top fuel drivers this day. You'll get to see who that driver is at the end and see what it's like to be in their pits. So get ready as we take you through the sights and sounds of the NHRA.
Because we gotta go up, but come see me after we run.
Okay, I will. I will.
Oh no, where I'll be here.
Yeah, you will.
First timers, I ain't even looking over here. A few first timers. A few, that's awesome. So, I want y'all to start thinking of some questions to ask about the race car. And only about the race car, because we've been on the road non-stop. I think this is like 5 straight weeks for me, something like that. And I'm not griping at all. I love my job. I get to come out and I get to stomp on the loud pedal of the quickest cars on the planet. They're the ultimate roller coaster ride. Hands down, these things are phenomenal. I've been very fortunate over the years. I've done all kinds of crazy cool stuff because of my job. And nothing still is more impressive than that. I mean, 100 miles an hour in less than a second, that gets your attention, I promise you, you know. Carolina.
I hope you enjoyed the day at the drag races. To check out some of our other adventures, make sure to click the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Ride safe and enjoy life.